Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Conveniently located just 45 minutes from Melbourne CBD and 5 to 10 minutes from Fountain Gate Shopping Centre, as your trusted automotive partner, we take pride in offering a diverse range of vehicles to suit every style and need. The 2015 Holden Commodore combines rugged capability with modern convenience, featuring a heavy-duty tow bar perfect for towing trailers or boats, a sleek sunroof that lets in natural light and fresh air, and Blackview dash cams mounted front and rear to provide full, reliable coverage for added safety on the road. Whether you're hauling gear or enjoying the open sky, this Commodore is built to handle it all with style and confidence.